Dora the Explorer. Dora goes to school. Dora and Boots were on their way to school. They were excited for their first day. As they were walking along, however, they saw someone else on the way to school too. It was their teacher, La Maestra Beatriz. La Maestra Beatriz needed to get to school before her students so she could get everything ready for them and welcome them to class. But her bicycle just got a flat tire. Dora and Boots needed to help her get to school, and fast.
La Maestra Beatriz has lots of school supplies, Dora, Boots said. How are we going to carry them all?
Backpack can carry them, Dora said. So Boots and Dora helped La Maestra put all her supplies in backpack.
Now we need to find the quickest way to school,
Boots said. Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go? Dora asked.
Map,
Boots cheered. Map told Dora and Boots that first they needed to go through Letter Town and over Number Mountain to get to school. Letter Town, Number Mountain, and school. Let's go, cried Dora.
We need something that can take us through Lettertown really fast, said Boots.
Look, Boots, said Dora. El autobus can take us through Lettertown fast. Vámonos.
Dora, there are letters everywhere in Lettertown, Boots said.
We need to follow the letters and sing the alphabet song to get through town, Dora told him. Let's sing. Dora and Boots sang the alphabet song, and before they knew it, they were on their way to Number Mountain. All of a sudden, Boots heard a bell ring.
That's the second school bell, Boots said. We have to hurry.
We just need to find Number Mountain, said Dora. Boots looked around. Then he saw a pink and purple mountain with numbers all over it.
Look, Dora! There it is! He shouted. There's Number Mountain!
Great looking, Boots, Dora said. Let's go.
We need to get over Number Mountain fast, said Boots.
Our friend Azul the train can take us over the mountain fast, Dora said. Vámonos! To ride over Number Mountain, we need to count the numbers we pass, Dora explained. Let's count, Boots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They both counted happily. Excelente, said Dora. Now let's count backwards as we go down the other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastico! We made it over Number Mountain. Dora and Boots were getting closer. They could even see their school, but they still needed a way to get across the forest. Suddenly, Dora saw her animal rescuing cousin, Diego.
Wow, Diego's flying on a condor,
said Boots.
Maybe the condors can fly us to our school.
Good idea, Boots, Dora said. Let's call to the condors. Say, squawk, squawk. So Dora and Boots and La Maestra Beatriz all squawked as loudly as they could to call over the condors. The condors soared down and gave everyone a ride through the air right to the school.
Thanks, condors, Boots said with a smile. Gracias.
We made it to school, Dora cheered. Quick, before class starts. We need to check backpack for La Maestra Beatriz's school supplies. Boots helped
out Dora check backpack. Pencils, chalk, notebooks, and rulers. We have everything we need, Boots said. La Maestra Beatrice is ready for class to begin.
But just then, Dora heard a noise. Uh-oh, she said. I hear a swiper. That sneaky fox will try to swipe La Meister's school supplies. We have to stop him. Dora and Boots stood tall and said, Swiper, no swiping.
Oh, man,
said Swiper. He snapped his fingers and scampered away. And just in the nick of time, too, La Maestra Beatrice's students began filling up the classroom. Good morning, class, La Maestra Beatrice said with a smile.
Buenos dias,
said her students. La Maestra Beatrice was happy to be able to start her class on time, and she couldn't have done it without help from her star students, Dora and Boots.